Well, what is our project today? You see those right there? Those are called begonias. And I've got some other ones. My mother bought some at the store, and I've got 7 more to plant. And these begonias, these are pretty cool because large heat and sun loving flowers for gardens and containers. Plant in sun or part sun. Okay. Here it says 12 inches apart, grows 6 to 12 inches in diameter. So that's what I'm going to put in here because it takes full sun. That's what I like about this. And this area is going to get full sun. And so I'm going to plant these just in this little area. And they're going to kind of match these other ones here. And you know what? There's no sprinklers in this area either. And by the way, my battery wasn't charged all the way, so I've got an extension cord plugged in all the way into the garage. The show must go on, right? I'm not going to let the battery stop me. And I'm charging up the battery as we speak. Okay? Let's put these in. Oh, before I go on much further, there's no water in this area. I already said that, didn't I? So the next portion of this is going to be how to hook it up into the existing drip irrigation. And we'll be talking about that later. Okay? For the time being, let's put these buggers in. Yeah, it's past 5 o'clock. The sun is still going to be up for a couple hours, so I think I'm good. Okay, so I got like 7 of these I still got to put in. Okay, so I want to kind of figure out what to do here, and I can just set some rocks up in here and kind of figure out a game plan as to where exactly they're going to go. Count them out. 3, 4, 5, maybe there. 6. Might have to rearrange these a little bit, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe. Well, maybe something like that. Okay, I think I like that. Where's that one? Make sure I don't get these mixed up. Okay. And I did a little bit of watering here before, and so the ground's nice and soft here. But just because it's soft doesn't mean I'm not going to put some nice topsoil down in there. Okay, so I'm going to get these holes deep enough. I went to the store, got some garden soil from Miracle Grow Flowers and Vegetables Grows plants twice as big. I think you can see that. Yes, you can. Now I can just take a handful of that and drop it in each hole. You know, kind of make a little depression in there. Yes, you know, it's not that hard. Push on these, just push the bottom there, and that kind of helps you get that up out of there. Okay, then turn it upside down. If there's any left, you can kind of put it back in like that. Okay, if it's root bound at the bottom, you'll see a lot of roots. You can kind of pull some of that off, okay? And I'm a little low, so I'm going to hold it up a little bit, put a little more in, and now I can put some more of this around there. That's going to help it, especially if you're in hard pan or anything like that, you know. Okay. So just take that, push your thumb on there, push it up like that, kind of tip it upside down, gently pull it out. And there's a little bit left in there, so kind of get that out of there like that. Okay, check for roots at the bottom and kind of hold it there. It's got to go up just a little bit. But see, I like to dig it down further so I can get some this ground soil, this garden soil underneath the plant too, you know? That. What am I going to do with all this other dirt? I guess I can just kind of spread it around here, like so. Remember where your rocks are, whatever. And dig some more. Before I do these front ones, I guess I should do the back ones, huh? Okay. Keep in mind how many more you got. You can get plenty of these at the store. They don't cost very much. Let's see here. I got five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one is going to be 5 there. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this back one first. Yeah, I just kind of watered these areas to get the ground softer so I could dig it out with this little shovel. I'll grab my topsoil. If you don't have any little gloves like this, get some rubber gloves like this. They're rubber on this side and they're kind of like elastic here. And I can just rinse these off when I get all done. I bought these in a 6-pack at one of my favorite hardware stores, Home Depot. And I don't know, I got them for a 6-pack for $5. I'm not quite sure how that happened. That's how much they were. It must have been on sale or something, because usually you could get these gloves for $5 a pair, you know, $4 or $5. I lucked out and I had to get them. Okay, just push that down like that. Straighten out the dirt around it and go some more. You having fun yet?